Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to another session of Moldex 3D's webinar series. My name is Srikar Valluri. I'm a Senior Director here at Moldex 3D and your host for today. Our topic for today is what kind of a cloud ecosystem is Moldex 3D providing that can help elevate your overall molding process. So what are we going to be talking about today? I'm going to introduce what Moldiverse is all about and what are the features that are included or that are offered with Moldiverse. Now, how I split up today's topic is what kind of computing do we offer and what kind of ecosystem have we put together for our users. I'm going to talk about the ecosystem, which is exemplified by the term Moldiverse, and then I'm also going to talk about the computing aspect. So, what is Moldiverse? Right? Moldiverse is basically a name we coined. Think of it as your Marvel Avengers multiverse. That's where the inspiration came from. But essentially, what it is a cloud platform that combines everything in one place. Everything meaning the kind of support ecosystem that one needs in order to be able to successfully run simulations. So it has an array of tools, an array of features that are offered as part of the cloud portal itself. And the target audience for this would be anybody who's using Moldex 3D. Anybody who's actively using Moldex 3D. Now, one of the questions that we get is about the certificate or the security of such cloud portals. What I want to assure everybody about is this has been certified. We have end-to-end security hosted on Azure from Microsoft. A lot of privacy features that are already built in. It has also obtained an ISO certification, 27001 certification, which means this has been established and is able to operate information and data with a high level of security. And the security management, data management system is already in place. As far as vulnerability assessment goes, we have had third-party audits and assessments done using Nessus in order to make sure all the data that's being put up here is secure. So that is one thing that I wanted to highlight as far as the safety, security, data management of the cloud portal itself goes.